Hello students, this is a question from JEE Main 2015. So question says that in the given circuit the 2 muF capacitor have charge of Q2 which is varying as function of C. So C is also varying from 1 muF to 2 muF. Then which of the following graph is right? So how to solve this? We can use the concept of equivalent capacitance of a circuit. So as per the given question, we have a capacitance C which is varying from 1 muF to 3 muF, then a 1 microfarad capacitance and another 2 microfarad capacitance which are connected in parallel and is connected to a voltage source of value E. Now Q2 is varying as a function of C. So let's find out the charge Q2 on 2 muF. For that we have to find out the equivalent capacitance of this branch, and the equivalent capacitance will be 2 and 1 muF are in parallel. So 2 plus 1 3 muF, and this total of 3 muF is in series with C. So equivalent will be 3 muF series with C. So it is 3 into C by 3 plus C. This is the total equivalent capacitance of this branch. So total charge through this branch will be Q equal to C equivalent into the EMF across this branch. So that is 3C by 3 plus C into E. Now we have to find charge on 2 muF. Charge on a series branch will be same. So here charge will be splitted. So net charge on 2 muF will be equal to, this is the value of Q on first branch. So net charge on 2 muF, we have to find Q2 equal to 2 muF into net capacitance of this parallel connection is 3, 2 by 3 into net charge is 3 EC by 3 plus C. So as per the question, the charge is varying as a function of C. So let's see how charge varies as function of C. How this charge dQ2 varies as a function of C. So dQ2 by dC will be, anyway this will get cancelled. Remaining term is 2 EC by d by dC of 2 EC by 3 plus C. So d by, if we differentiate this, how can we differentiate? Let's see. You will get 3 plus C, that is denominator, into differential of numerator, that will be 2E. We are differentiating with respect to C, minus 2EC into differential of denominator is 1 whole divided by denominator square is 3 plus C whole square. So after differentiating dQ2 by dC, this will be 2EC and 2EC will get cancelled, remaining will be 6E divided by 3 plus C whole square. So this is the value, this is how charge on Q2 is changing with respect to capacitance. If we substitute value of C from 0 to 1, you will get see, you have Q2 on x-axis, or let's take Q2 on y-axis and C on x-axis. Now let's check our option. In our option, okay, we need Q2 on y-axis and C on x-axis. So let's assume some value of E, or E is a constant value. Now this will be varying as, when C equal to 1 muF, you will get 6 by 4 square. When C equal to 2 muF, you will get 6 by 5 square and 6e by 5 square. Similarly, when C equal to 3 muF, you will get 6e by 6 square. Likewise, this will be varying like this, from almost varying like this, from 1 muF to 3 muF. And this is our option of B. So our right answer is B. So to know more about this concept, that is grouping of capacitance, you can watch the video here, and you can go through the books NCERT and Electricity and Magnetism by DC Pandey, page number 254, line number 3. Thank you, students.